You need safety glasses, fellas. They're in there also.
I visit too clean.
You want earmuffs? Also in there.
Yeah, I'll use the third one. Remind me if I'm using it properly.
I'll put it on the thing.
Yep.
Yeah, hold it with two hands firmly on the thing. Yeah, and then you just hold it down. Yeah. Yeah, basically. Yeah.
Like that?
Just like that.
Alright.
What was your name?
Jonah. What you need to do, you need the glasses, you need the mask, and you need the the ear protection. Now, what you'll need to do, hold it firmly, like this, and you put it on the surface like that. Then after that, and there you go.
That's your first time, Jonah?
It's probably my second time, yeah. Third time.
Okay, have fun.
Alright, thank you.
My name is Nishan Sharma. I'm a volunteer at Historic Electric Traction. I like doing this. I think these older trains are cool, and I think it's important to preserve the heritage of the New South Wales Railways and show people what it was like to travel back in the day. What I'm doing here right now is scraping the paint off to get the 3102 ready for painting, and then we can hopefully try and get it restored to working condition and on mainline tours.
I'm Robert Parnell, just removing the old grease from the axles here, ready to put some new grease in.
Dylan Clark, I'm a second year apprentice with Sydney Trains, and I'm currently scraping out this old grease here so we can put some new stuff in.
Yeah, my name's Jason Kerr. I've been volunteering with Historic Electric Traction since December 2022. I decided to join Historic Electric. I've been on a number of tours with Redfern F1 and decided to get more involved with the operation of Redfern F1 and also Sydney's Heritage Electric Train fleet. So that's why I'm here today.
Oh, you must be Trust Like One.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. It's been an honor. And I've seen your video. I love them. Especially your slide drive video. I always kept watching that, just seeing how you use the braking. Seeing how you stop at Milson's Point and how that's flawless.
Yeah, I was very proud of that, stopping. You heard the driver say...
Yeah, brilliant, yeah.
Yeah. I never got to drive them very often, but I'm pleased that I never mucked that up. But
yeah, indeed, 100%.
yeah, a lot of fun when there's less observation, less supervision.
So my name is Matt. I've been coming to HET for about 2 or so years now. Quite enjoy it actually, doing all sorts of jobs, whatnot, cleaning, sanding and actually restoring the train. And I quite thoroughly enjoy it because in the end, it's about the finished product. So by the end of it, all the hard work pays off, and it's a really great thing seeing heritage items like this running on the railway.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Jade. I've been here for about 6 years now. I've been doing a lot of the same as Matt, so it's a lot of prep work for big stuff, so sanding, painting, helping guys move stuff around for the electrical. get on, take the cars and repair everything. I guess I enjoy doing it because I just find all this stuff really cool. Like, just these old trains, the way they were, how they run, the sounds, the smells, I really enjoy them, and it's something that I'd really like to see moving on into the future.
Hi, my name's Alex and I've been involved with historic electric traction for about 10 years now. I was drawn into the group because my family's had involvement here before and I've kind of always been in this environment, and as I started to get older I started to really enjoy taking old trains and making them look new again for the public to enjoy.
Great.
Alright, okay, thank you. That heavy.
Would be, yeah. Aluminium, I think.
No, still. Not that heavy, but it's got to go like that.
Yeah, but yeah, it's holding it on the angle.
So,
Bit further?
yeah.
Yeah.
Go forward here.
Maybe a bit more.
Another foot.
A bit more.
Another
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, a bit more.
Because we want to go up too.
Yeah.
Right. Down, go. Yeah, I'm Jeff. I'm the Finance Director for HET. So I assist with Brad doing all the admin and do a bit of this.
And
I'm James. I'm just a member here, and I've been for like I think about 4 or 5 months now.
okay, and what's your main interest here, James?
And my main interest, I've just been restoring the train.
We're only up to Fig 2, probably.
Well, I mean, we did 4.
You want to dry out the glovies?
Yes.
Mind you, with a whole lot of sand going,
You want a
hope
handshake?
that those gloves are very well.
Hi, I'm Harley, and I'm currently working on the wiring of the switch group. So currently, the front is these, what they call magnet valves. You put voltage in, sends air pressure to the pneumatic valves behind, and that's what pushes the switches on. And this one's used to control the resistors with the traction circuit to control the speed of the train. These have been overhauled, and so I'm wiring them back up.
Yeah, exactly.
You got 30 of them. It's the only place in Australia I know that doesn't matter what time of the day you go to.
Okay, my name's Paul from HET. We've got a 750 volt traction motor here out of a U-boat. That's an MV222 type. We couldn't test it before because this thing wouldn't reach, but I've got an extension lead for it now. This is what we call Franken-tester. We call it that because it looks like Frankenstein's lab. That's where it came from. It kind of did come from there. This can develop up to 120 volts DC into this motor, but we started up slowly. We started up with a resistance in circuit, and that's on 36 volts. So 36 volt with the resistance, then we switch the resistance out, then we switch it back to 120 volts with the resistance in circuit again, and then finally 120 volts directly across the motor, which should make it spin nice and fast. We have cleaned out, the best of our ability, we've cleaned out the commutator. The bearings are probably quite dry in this, so we'll just see how we go. So we've got 36 on there, we've got it off there, we've got the resistance in, so we switch it on. It's going to go up a bit. I've got it turning.
What voltage, Paul?
That'll be about, well, that's 36 with the resistor, it's probably about 20 volts. I dare say it's just been sitting there for so long, it didn't want to move. It's actually nice and quiet. We'll just let it sit at that speed for a while since it hasn't turned for 40 years. You can go and do a close-up of it.
Before you turn the switch?
Yep. That just shorts the resistance out, that's all it does.
So 36 volts, no resistance?
Now it's got 36 volts directly across it.
Right.
Oh, I didn't get my clamp meter either. I'll let it run, then I'll go down and get that out of the truck. We've got a little DC probe. Off, in, 120. That's 120 with the resistor in circuit. Start feeling a nice breeze from the motor there.
Yes.
That's actually very quiet. I'm very happy with that. There's a bit of dust blowing out of it.
You certainly feel the breeze.
We'll do the final switch now. There's not much current, there's only 15 amps there, so we're just going to switch it out resistance. So that's a full 120 volts across that motor now. That's pretty much running at track speed.
I'm Jeff Boss and I joined the railways in 1948 as a cadet engineer, and from then I stayed in the railways until 1987, and in that time I had part-time with electric trains, part-time with diesel locomotives. I commissioned the Southern Aurora passenger train as it was being built, and had a marvellous time as a railwayman.
Yeah, I'd say it's recession. This is the 36 volt and 120 volt shore power supply. This is used to test the LT, so in other words the low voltage section of the trains. And this is the transformer and also the rectifier. And there's two different outputs. On the panel here, you can switch the outputs. On this panel, There's a circuit breakers and also voltmeter and current meter.
All of them?